This video depicts the destruction of two Ukrainian M2 Bradley infantry fighting vehicles. These two vehicles were lost within a 1-week time frame, which is a significant loss for Ukrainian forces. The first Bradley was damaged and destroyed by drones. It was immobilized by two FPV drones, and as the crew abandoned the vehicle, a drone finished it off with droppable ammunition, resulting in a huge explosion. The second IFV was lost during combat when a drone with droppable munitions approached from above. The first grenade dropped by the drone exploded at the rear of the IFV. Despite this, the vehicle continued to fight, and it appeared that the crew was unaware of the attack. The drone then dropped a larger explosive, which struck the rear of the IFV with significant impact. The crew eventually abandoned the vehicle in the forest, leaving the hatches open. The drone proceeded to drop ammunition on the turret, but when this did not cause substantial damage, it dropped another grenade on the front engine cover before leaving. If the IFV had been equipped with an anti-drone cage net, the quadcopter would have been unable to inflict any damage. The M2 Bradley is an important vehicle for the Ukrainians, and the way the Ukrainian army is using and abandoning it, as if there is a huge stock available, is questionable. With limited supplies of these infantry fighting vehicles, Ukraine should be very cautious in their use. The destruction of both these IFVs is nearly the same, where first they were immobilized, then drone with droppable munitions finishes them off. A proper plan should be devised and implemented to protect these IFVs. On the Russian side, the use of FPV drones and the use of second drone in some cases for the confirmation of destruction shows that the Russian army considers the Bradley a serious threat and its neutralization is their top priority.